प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो श्रीनगर के ज़ेर एहतमाम जारी मीडिया टूर के तहत मीडिया वफद ने आज सेंट्रल मैरीन फिशरीज रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट के विजन जम मरकज़ का दौरा किया। इस दौरे का मकसद समंदरी माहीगीरी, जदीद आबी ज़राअत, हैचरी टेक्नोलॉजी और समंदरी हयाती तनों के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ से मुतल्लिक़ तहकीकी सरगर्मियों का मुशाहिदा करीबी से करना था। इस मौके पर वफद ने इदारे के सरबराह डॉक्टर बी संतोष से मुलाकात की, जिन्होंने मीडिया नुमाइंदों को CMFRI के दायराकार तहकीकी तरजीहात और समंदरी माहीगीरी के शोबे में जारी साइंसी इकदाम से तफसीली तौर पर आगाह किया। उन्होंने पायदार समंदरी वसाइल के इंतज़ाम, मैरीकल्चर की तरक्की और टेक्नोलॉजी की मुंतकली के ज़रिए मछली की पैदावार में इजाफा, साहिली आबादियों की रोज़ी रोटी और ग़िज़ाई तहफ़्फ़ुज़ को मजबूत बनाने में इदारे के किरदार पर रोशनी डाली। मीडिया वफद को डॉक्टर अरिति भुवनेश्वरी, सीनियर साइंटिस्ट, ने सागर मैका मैरीन रिसर्च एक्वेरियम का भी दौरा कराया, जहां समंदरी हयाती तनों और अवामी आगाही से मुतल्लिक़ तहकीकी सरगर्मियों का मुशाहिदा किया गया। इसके अलावा मयारी मछली बीज की तैयारी के लिए कायम ब्रीड बैंक का भी मुआयना किया गया। ये दौरा मीडिया नुमाइंदों के लिए CMFRI की जानिब से मौसमियाती तब्दीलियों से हम आहंग, पायदार और टेक्नोलॉजी पर मबनी माहीगीरी व मैरीकल्चर के फ़रोग की कोशिश को समझाने का एक अहम मौका साबित हुआ। रोशन कश्मीर के लिए मैं पीरज़ादा शारिक, केरला।
Like that has been standardized by CMFRI. So, like even this institute can be compared with the top Texas. The technology has been standardized by us. So these fishes are also produced by us. Breeding, like somebody is breeding, it is coming for sales. Whereas in marine sector, like it is more than 99%, it is wild caught. For clown surgeon, so one of the important ornamental, highly traded ornamental fish. This belongs to damsel. Okay, so here we have a combination of in numbers, no, like it will reach. The seed production is standardized by ICSA-MFRA and many varieties are there. Here for display we have Clarky. So many varieties are there, even you can see in our hatchery. Shaded one, no, sunset orange color. So that is Asia's. Here in like the first breeding, captive breeding was standardized in ICSA-MFRA. And this is a kind of hardy fish, this banana rust. Difficult. So this is one best species working. Captive breeding is standardized of the species. And the groupers, no, like it is quite quiet in nature, right, for looking. So if you are releasing some small fishes, even almost 3/4 of the size also it can enter. Okay. If you release some other fish, no, immediately it will capture. This we have caught in our Billingham water itself. Yeah, sure. Okay, so traps, no, we can get it to diverse. So you people will be consuming? No. Okay, for consumption also. Minus degree, right? Like our experimental temperature lies from 23 to 20 range. No, for somebody in DCFR, like for the cold water fisheries, like people are working on trouts and salmon, they can naturally do so common fishes mostly found in harbors and all. So you can see a crescent shaped lines, and like if you feed immediately, it will take all the feed. How much ever you are giving, it will consume. So that will lay eggs in that hideout. Okay. So that eggs we can collect and we can hatch. We can use it for our research purpose. Okay, so in damsel itself, okay, the clownfish which we have seen, Finding Nemo fish, so they are all born male. At birth they will be male, and once they grow, about reaching the reproductive mature phase, they will change into a female. One will change in the group. One will change into, they will be having a harem. So one will be a female, the next small size will be a male, and many sub-adults with them. So if something happens to these two, okay, if a female dies, the active male will turn into a female, and in the sub-adult, the alpha will change into a male. Okay, so they will form the colony. So very interesting study. And in contrast, the damsels, blue, small damsels we have seen, they will be all born female. Then like one will turn into a male. mouth. If you see, it will look like a beak of a parrot. So this is called parrotfish. And this is also called centris. And this is also first in fishes, like first in world we have standardized the captive breeding. The damsel. Okay, but it is comparatively like much bigger. And in between, can you see a silver colored fish? Small fishes. So that is silver pompano. Yeah, Parvez Ahmad. Okay, in Bhimtal. So like. Here we have both female, male, right? So white and black. There again we have seen the Moorish color, right? The breading fish. It looks kind of similar, but like morphology, like many variations are there. And the breeding of this fish also here are. Here you can see another damsel. These what damsel? One of the damsels is variety. Here you can see the diversity. Okay, so breeding is being standardized and this is all in
They consider Japan they consider pufferfish. So they give warning to other fishes in the coral reef, like a soldier.
That family, but it is oceans. Okay, like very vivid green. Here we have. So outside, still amazing things are there. You can see shark and turtles. Okay. So because of the environment here, it is looking a bit dark.
The name depends on
Yeah. Okay, so like people are not supposed to keep that. Okay, so this we got it from forest department. Like it was insured and they gave it, for.
southern fish. It has got a cervical blade, the coral area, tail area, and line is there, it's a blade only. It is repaired, it can make a wound, like surgery. So it is first, twin chorus. So it is some coral reef fish. It's a banner fish because they have a banner always.
Individual basis, you do it on individual basis, like feeding.
Just only small size. These are the mussels. These are the mussels, green mussels. You may hair, green. The one piece, the rupees around 20 rupees. And inside this we are making the food. We are inserting the nucleus, the curd. The natural curd actually get one nucleus and in Hyderabad.